Tracy had to take a vocabulary quiz. She needed her pen. She looked inside her bag, but the pen wasn't in there. It was always there. She just used it yesterday. She decided to let it go. She also needed a piece of paper. She looked inside her bag. There was no paper. Did she leave everything at home? Was she becoming forgetful? Was someone stealing from her? She borrowed paper from a friend. She also needed an eraser. She looked inside her bag. No eraser. She screamed, "Oh my God!" Her classmates stared at her. She apologized. Her classmate then pointed at the bottom of her bag. There was a huge hole.
It was raining. William loves jumping in puddles. He jumped in 5 puddles. He was wet and dirty. His mom told him to change his clothes. They were going to a fancy party. He wore a nice dress shirt and slacks. William and his mom arrived at the party. The host opened the door. They went inside the house. The host screamed. William was confused. The host pointed at his shoes. He had forgot to change them. There were dark footprints on the floor. He left the party. He was forced to change the shoes. It was snack time. Ted has a bag of chips for his snack. Todd has an apple for his snack. Julia has a granola bar for her snack. Lauren has grapes for her snack. Todd doesn't really like his snack. He would rather have chips or a granola bar or grapes. He asks Ted, Julia, and Lauren if they are willing to trade. They say no. The teacher hears this. She says it's not very nice to say no. She tells them to share. Ted grabs a handful of chips. Julia tears off a piece of her granola bar. Lauren breaks off a branch of grapes. Todd takes the food. He thanks his friends.
Manny was a lazy kid. All he wanted to do was playing video games. He paid the smartest kid in class to do his homework. He convinced his little sister to do his chores. He made his parents do his laundry. His mom was getting tired of Manny's bad habits. She wanted Manny to change. She told Manny's teacher about Manny's behavior. The teacher was upset. Mr. Howard forced Manny to stay after school until he finished his homework. Manny's mom told her daughter that she would be punished if she did her brother's chores. Manny's mom and dad stopped doing his laundry.
Lauren has a test. It is very important. She has to study a lot. She tried to study in her room. Her baby brother kept crying. It was too loud. She could not concentrate. She went to a coffee shop. People were always talking. The blender was too noisy. She could not concentrate. She went to the library. Libraries are usually quiet. This one was different. The kids were laughing. Lauren did not want to be mean to them. She left the library. She went to the park. Birds started to poop on her. Her hair was a mess. She went back home. She took a shower. She had an idea. She brought her book to the bathroom. She studied in there.